Abhinandan, Aabhar. Namaskar and a very good evening to all. It's one of the very exciting day for me because anyways, we are in the tournament, guys. So excited. All my best wishes to all my dear interns, mentors for their hard work that we were all waiting for this day to come. So my best wishes to all of you and just rock, guys, rock. That's what I can say. So now we're going to start the session. So over to you, Pradeep ji.
Thanks. Thank you, Arpita ji. Over to Akshaya to go for a period of rules and regulations. And if suppose any of the team members are having less numbers, that is less than one, less than two, please let us know as if now, as there will be a problem. So just check it out, how your positioning are with your team members. At least two members should be there for each of the teams. There are two teams, those will not be there. Team T will not be there, and I think team R will not be there. These two teams will not be there. Rest of all other teams will be there.
So which two teams?
Team T. Team T is there because they are having less numbers. Okay, Sanmitra is there. Okay, no worries on that. They are there. So those who are having less numbers as per their team members, please let us know as if now. Okay, suppose one member is not joining, no worries on that, Niharika. Need not to worry on that. I required at least two members to represent by each of the team members. Okay, over to Akshaya.
Very good afternoon and good evening to all interns. So excited to see you all again back for the tournament session. So yesterday we had our demo, and today we are going to have it all live. So before we get into our quiz for today, let me brief you with certain rules. So all participants, all the team members should be there on Zoom because your questions and the options will be there only on Zoom. Ideally go for two devices and use the device which is not there, which is not used for Zoom. Use the other one for logging into the game portal, and over there you will just see the options. You have to match to the color of the options which is displayed on the question. For example, let's say you have the question as capital of India, and the blue is marked as Delhi and red is marked as Calcutta, and you feel that the right answer is blue, Delhi. Then please select the blue option which is there on your game portal device. So you will not see, you might not see the question, and nor would you be seeing the options. So everything will be displayed on Zoom. Only selection of options will be there on the game portal. Secondly, the team members can discuss amongst themselves. Refrain from discussing in the Zoom chat because you can do it only one-on-one. If you have just two members, then you can go for one-on-one. But if you have more than two, like three-member groups, please use other places to discuss the answers. And for each, so we have 3 rounds with 26 questions each, and each question will be given 10 seconds of time to answer, and additional 5 seconds buffer to discuss. So it will start with team discussion time of 5 seconds countdown, followed by 10 seconds to mark your answer. One member from each team will represent for each of the round. So if you have 3 members, each of them get their turn. If you have 2 members, then one person would be getting 2 turns. So who would be representing for which round? I hope it has already been decided by all the teams. If not, please make the decision quicker because there will just be 2 minutes or 3 minutes of gap between each and every round. And yeah, so the moment I launched the game from my end and I shared the Zoom screen, you will be given a game pin, which is your login credential sort, your password, like to get into the game portal. And as soon as you get into the game portal using the game pin, you have to enter your team name in capital letter. Okay, so since on my screen I have Divya, please give me permission to take your example. So you can see her video and she's named herself as Divya/Team E. So if Divya is going to log in, so she has to give her team name in capital letter, exactly the same way it is there on screen, you can see, followed by her name. Okay, so participant name will be the name of the person who is representing. Do not please give the list of all your team members. That is not, and if such thing is done, we carry the discretion to even remove you from the portal. I will be able to remove you all from my end. So I do not want to do, and so please enter your team name in capital letter. Do not make any mistake, because once if that mistake is there, you exit, then you will start getting message like yesterday, your team name is being taken. And then followed by your name as participant name. And there is no negative marking. Every question, as I told, it will just be for 10 seconds. So the test is of your accuracy and the speed. So let's say if 3 teams make it to score full 26 on 26 in round 1, but the team which has scored or which has made the fastest entry of answers would get more points compared to others. Then yeah, so I'm just making a verification of if there's anything else that I have missed. Yes, I request Pradeep sir to guide in case if they lose connectivity in between, what do they do, sir?
There are two options. There are two options on that. Suppose someone is having an issue with the connectivity. He or she can go with WhatsApp. The sooner we are switching on our this thing, quiz round. So they can go with WhatsApp. But one thing is there, those who are actually playing this thing on the WhatsApp, they will not be counted the top team as in top teams, firstly. And of course, if they are not counted as a top team, so whatever the certification for best performer of this quiz round, that will not be there for them. So best try to go with Kahoot, try to go with Kahoot only. And suppose your team members are facing issues on that, then the person who is best with the connectivity, he or she should go for that Kahoot app. Rest depends upon you, your team members, and your, of course, cohesion, what you are having and what mutual understanding you people have. I only need to add one more thing here. I can see on the board the participants, especially Pranav Bharadwaj. Pranav, you need to actually add what is the team name you have, not the UPS. Today we are not going with college names with your names, of course. What we are doing is your name followed by your team name. That is to be done actually, and you need to rename your system with that. And the same way we will be going for even in the Kahoot app. So above the team name will be there, and the bottom will be your name, and all the things will be in capitals, capital letters. Thank you. Just Akshaya, you can start.
Thank you, sir. So on the completion of the 3 rounds, or after each and every round, we will take note of the top 5 teams towards the end. And so we will be accumulating the points for all the top 5 teams across the 3 rounds. And additionally, we will also be considering marks for attendance of the teams in all the rounds. So with this, I'm just giving a heads up to all, any doubt at this point. And also please take this time to get your first member for the round 1 ready.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Kabir.
Yeah, ma'am. In Team Q, we are only like Pranoy and me, okay? 2 people.
Okay.
And she has a laptop issue right now, okay? So she's just using her phone. So I'll be answering all the question on Kahoot, ma'am. Is it fine? For each and every round. She won't be able to do it.
Pradeep, sir, is it fine?
Yeah, of course, fine. No worries on that. Suppose someone is playing for all the 3 rounds. We don't have an issue on that.
Thank you, sir.
Any other questions from anyone, please let us know, or other else we can proceed for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Akshay, we can, yeah.
Sir, I had a question regarding the Kahoot app. Do we need to log in or like make an account in that in order to write our names, or will the option come as soon as we enter the pin? Good. Thank you so much. So you needn't create any account. I've just shared a link in chat box. That is going to be your login link, basically, how you will be playing. So we had the demo yesterday. So just use this link to log in. The moment you log in onto this link, no credentials needed. Only thing that you will need is game pin. Okay, which I will share it in a while. The moment I start the game pin will be initiated. You need to key in the game pin. And then the third step is key in your team name in capital letter, followed by your name as participant, and then enter the game waiting room. Meanwhile, I will be sharing my screen onto the Zoom. I'll be sharing my game screen where you will be seeing the questions and the options. But before I start the game, you will be able to see the waiting room. So that will give a confirmation. If you spot your team and your name on the screen, then your attendance for the round is secure. I hope it clarifies. Yes. Awesome. Great. So with this, let's get started, and best wishes to all the team, and may the best team win.
Akshay, we need to wait because Shani has to actually log in. Just check it up. Once she's done, then we can start.
Done, sir. Done.
Shani, you just please let us know if you're logged in or not on Kahoot.
Yes, sir. They just asked me for the game pin, and I'll put that in as map.
Okay, so Akshay, we can proceed.
Okay, so please, all team members who are representing for round one, the link is in the chat box. Please click and get into the game pin screen. And I'm sharing your game pin now. Okay, so the screen is visible, but I'll share the game pin. It's 471210. Teams, you can start logging in. Please remember the format. Okay, we have 19 teams and I'm giving you 10 more seconds. Sir, Team O is asking to share that link in the group. Is it possible, sir?
The group. Okay.
That kahoot.it, that website link.
Team O. Okay.
Yeah, for Team O.
It's done. Thank you, Kasturi. Thanks.
So welcome.
Okay, so 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Please make yourself on screen. I've marked the attendance so far. Okay, and we give it a start now. Okay, start keying in your answers, all the teams.
Ma'am, the screen is not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, question is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Question is not visible.
Ma'am, the questions are not visible.
Ma'am, in first question.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, the question was not visible.
Question was only not there, ma'am.
Ma'am, not visible.
Not
Now
visible,
it's
ma'am.
timing.
Nothing.
One moment. Question, was it visible on Zoom?
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, not on
That
Zoom.
was only.
Okay, one moment. So should I restart the quiz for them?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay, I'm restarting the quiz. Apologies for the glitch. I've restarted the quiz, so I request all teams to log in again. And I'm sharing a new game pin now. So the game pin is there on the Zoom chat. Okay, 10 more seconds and I'm going to start the game now. Pradeep sir, I just wanted to check if the entire screen is visible.
It is not the entire screen, but of course I can see the team members.
No, is the entire Google Chrome visible?
Google Chrome entire is not visible. You need to zoom. Actually, you need to go for what you call expand it. No, it's not visible to us. Yeah, now it is visible to us, but you need to maximize actually. If you, I think it's maximized at your end, but it's not here visible here. It's visible to us.
Is the entire Google Chrome visible, sir?
Yeah, entire Google Chrome.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Team T, you have come with 2 people inside. The name. So please, this is not in an acceptable format. So please do not kindly refrain from keying in this.
Yeah, okay. I'll just. Is there any way I could correct it?
Now it's not possible. You will lose the team name.
Okay, so
For the next round, you can be cautious. No, it's
actually
okay.
only I'm going to be playing. It seems my other team member is having a major connectivity issue. So
That's
Okay,
fine. Just
so
your
if-
name and the participant name would do.
yeah, okay.
Okay, so I'm starting now. I hope the question is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome, thank you. Mark it fast, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome, great. Second question, and your time starts now. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I think 2 teams missed keying in the answer, but most of you have got it right. Third question, and here we go. Make it quick, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, awesome. Wow, Team L beats Team M. And your countdown. Okay. 14 of you got it right. Team L sustains its first position. Wow, all of you were pretty fast for this answer. Great. So Team L has a streak of 5 correct answers. Wow, all correct. Okay, so Team M is racing up with 6 correct answers. Aha, very good. So Team L sustains on top. Wow, equal distribution, very good. Team M is racing up. And Team K, brilliant, you're the highest climber so far. quick. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I think only 20 teams, yeah, they could answer. And only one team got it right. Okay, Team X is coming out. Just 2 options. This should be easy. Whoa. Team O beats Team M. Only 9 got it right. Okay, Team M is back. Brilliant. One more sweep. Team L is dominating. I think only 18 teams answered and only 2 got it right. Wow. Wow, nice. SpaceX is not owned by government. Team I, you're climbing up faster. More to go. Okay, this is a pretty easy question. Oh. Team I, welcome on board. Okay, only 20 answers, Kiran. 2 teams missed. Team H and V is climbing up. Wow, good. Team L is dominating while Team M and Team H are racing it up. Come on, don't give up. Just few more questions for this round. You're already halfway through this round. Oh, at least majority got it right. Oh, this is equal. Again, team M is back. Confused. Team L, 6 correct answers in a row, but I think despite your speed is good, Team L. Only 7 got it right. Okay, so please make your answers quicker, then you come up on the scoreboard faster. Only 4 teams got it right. Wow, Team K, very good. Uh-oh, only 7. Second last question, 3 more questions to go. Only 6 of 22 teams. Okay, second last question of this round. Oh, only 5. Okay, so all set for the last question of this round, and here we go. Okay, this is very easy. Bad luck for the 6 teams, but 16 made it right. Okay, so let's see who's on the tabletop. H. Wow. Team L, awesome. K and O coming as runners up. Awesome, very good. So you can see the team M and team H are actually in tie. They have the same number of questions marked right, 17 and 17. But still team M made it to the second position because of the speed. Okay, so with this we come to the end of first round.
That
So how
is what I was saying yesterday. The more you are precise, the more you have chances to win actually. See, knowing the answer is one thing, but marking the answer is precisely works here actually. Once you are in the quiz round, that too online. Even in the quiz round also, there is a buzzer round for that. And positioning of that particular buzzer is specifically countable actually. Akshay, we can proceed to the round 2 now. Teams, those who are actually ready for round 2, please move on to the stage. And if suppose you are playing with the single person is playing for the team, no worries on that. Just be specific and be very smart actually while marking the answers. Best wishes to all for round 2. Thank you, Kasturi Madam, for enlightening our students also.
Game pin is going to be different. Team N, it's going to be different for all the 3 rounds.
Yeah, so what we did is complete questionnaire is distributed among the whatever we have covered. You might be seeing the questions are coming as per those first and second week we have covered these things, and these are covered. Now the second will be third and fourth week, and the last will be the fifth and sixth week. It is according to the weeks what we have done. That is how the questions are. Acha, you can proceed to round 2.
Yes, sir. So is my entire Chrome visible?
No, not. Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay.
So for second round, this is the pin.
Yeah, this is the pin, and please make note of the way you have to enter. Kindly don't make mistake. The game pin, I've shared it in the chat box also. Team X, welcome first. Okay, so Team X, we have MF, LBC. Okay, I think Team U is yet to log in. Team U, you were there for the last round. We are missing you here on the board. Just giving few more seconds for Team U to hop in. Okay, Team U is here. Okay, awesome. Okay, I think we lost someone again on net connection. Please log in back, and I'm giving you 10 seconds. We're going to start the game. Okay, and I'm starting now. And the first question. I hope you're able to see the entire screen. Pradeep sir, is the question visible?
It is visible. It is visible.
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see which team is on top. Team F, very good. Wow. Okay, so team F is taking the lead this time. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second. Hello?
Yes, Kabir.
Hello?
First option was modify, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. First is modify.
And the second was modify and minimize. What is going on?
Kabir, we can discuss
Both
this
options were
later
correct.
on. The answer was very much right, but we can discuss later on.
Okay.
Okay, so team A goes down and team O comes up. Team O has got all 5 correct. Wow. Only 4 teams got it right. Okay, so team O continues. Only 6 got it right. Okay. Team I is climbing up the ladder now, but team W is also racing. Okay, team B, you're making a comeback. Only 7 got it right. Wow, team H, you're racing back again. Awesome. Wow, team H is on the top now. F is also racing, but team B is coming up. Okay. Okay, so with this, we are halfway through this round and let's continue. Okay, so team H and team F, this time they're racing it up. Okay, team H, 3 streak. Okay, only 6 got it right. Okay, only few got it right. The table is the same. Okay, small change, but the top 2 remain the same. Okay, so team B is trying to make a comeback. Okay, only 2 got it right. Okay, no change in scoreboard. So 3 more questions to go. Equal distribution. Team U is coming up with an answer of 3, and Team F is back on board. Wow. And Team S is also spotted. Okay. So Team M is trying to make a comeback while Team F sustains, and this is the last question. Okay, so let's see what is the result. Team D. Okay. Wow. Awesome.
So students, how you are?
Great, sir.
Enjoying or not?
Sir, I might have a heart attack, you know.
Kabir, is it related to your presentations or not? First, you let me know that.
Yes, sir, it is related, but the time is too much tricky, you know.
See, the questions are no much into depth. Okay. Only thing, if you are present in the sessions, that will do. But somehow I am making it out of these 20 teams for each of these 2 sessions. 6 or 7 teams were not at all present in the session. The way I am seeing their answers, so much easy questions, but still you people are marking it. That too, some of the very few easy questions. And Kabir, that was actually, see, if you go with the slide number 6 of the presentation, it is very well actually written there. In the Scamper, it is written the modify and minimization. Okay. Sheetal madam might be there. Let me check. Sheetalji, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yeah. So you can also connect on that because in Scamper, the modify, people are saying that only modification is being written. But in the slide 6, it is very well written. Modify or minify. Okay.
There are actually 3 of them. From there, they should have got at least 2 is there, so that makes the difference.
That is what. Thanks,
Thank you,
thanks,
sir.
Sheetalji. Akshay, you can proceed for the next round, the final round. Let us see who all are coming up. But it's good, of course. I'm also enjoying.
Sir, it's too good. I really liked it. Very innovative. Thank you.
Just 1 moment. I'm just getting it ready. It's loading.
Even I should say for all presentations, we should go with the quiz round only. We not to go for the presentation. It's so actually easy to do and of course very much connected. We all are connected, feeling part of this actually.
Sir, and Akshaya's commentary is adding the cherry on the cake. It's so wonderful.
She is in the ground now. She seems
Yeah,
it seems that we are in the ground.
Yeah, actually.
Thank you, ma'am. It's so much fun to do, and all young interns, they're so quick and agile with it. Okay, so I hope all teams are ready for the last round. Don't give up. I know 2 rounds are over and you might be stressed, and some of you might be repeating for this round. And I think one member, to what I know, is going for all 3 rounds. So just get yourself some energy, have some water, and let's get started. Okay, so here it is. Pradeep sir, I just want to check if Chrome is visible.
No, it is visible. It is visible.
Okay, sir. Okay, the game pin is on the chat as well.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kabir.
ma'am, it is showing we are disconnected. They are trying to reconnect me, but I have cancelled that link. Okay, cancel that tab and open a new tab, but it is still showing the same thing only.
Did you log in and then get disconnected? Is it that way, Kabir?
I don't know. Might be.
Kabir, try opening it in another browser session or something. And if it says that the name is taken, then try using small alphabets for your team name.
Did you log in, Kabir?
Team F.
They are doing it. Wait.
Okay.
Okay, so I think all teams, no, one team is not here. Team W. Team W was there for the previous round and Team W is spotted missing. Just giving 10 more seconds. Oh, network issue. Okay, I'm just giving you a few more seconds to connect. Just give it a try. Pratik, nice name for your team. I never knew team is also like emu. Okay, no, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. Okay, team W is here. But 2 more teams have got, no, 3 teams have got disconnected. So taking few seconds more, please try to log in back. I think Pratik's team got disconnected. Just try to log in back. Okay, 2 more teams still waiting. One more team to go. I think, yeah, team A is missing. Okay, team A is here. Okay, awesome. So with this, we can start.
Final
Okay.
26 questions to you.
Sorry, sir.
I'm saying final 26 questions for you.
Yeah, final 26. Yes. So all set, and here goes your round 3. And first question is on board now.
Hello.
Yes, Pooja.
Yes, sir. Can you join Radhika? She has left the Zoom meeting now due to network issue.
But her request is not there.
Okay, I will ask her.
Okay, so 9 teams have got it right. And let's see who's there first. Team I, awesome. Very good. Okay, this is pretty easy. Okay, you should start keying in your answers now. Okay, good. Awesome. Team O, Team G, you're all racing it up. Mark your answers quick, then you sustain your position on the top.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, Radhika is in lobby, I think.
Wow, majority got it right. Okay, so team N is the highest climber, but we have team P, team A back. Team I is continuing. Keep up. That was pretty easy, actually. Okay, 5 players have got streak hit. Oh, mixed distribution. Team K is back on top 5. Okay, it's going tough. And Team I and Team H are having a very close call. Okay, 8 teams got it right. Team M, that was a huge jump. And Team E, you're also climbing pretty good. Oh, hard luck for the 9 teams. Wow, Team K, very good. Team T, welcome on board. Team I, continue your spot. Okay. Wow, Team K is back up. And here's the 9th question. Team W has 3 correct answers, and that makes your position to top 5. And Team I continues. Okay, only 9 got it right. Team O is here now. Okay, 13 got it right. Wow, Team I, 3 correct answers in a row. But your speed accuracy is good. Team I and Team K. Team K, 6 correct answers. And Team I gets into a 5-digit score. Okay, 18 got it right. Team S is trying for a comeback. That's good. Team H, you're in top 5 in the previous 2 rounds as well, and you're trying your spot in this round. Good. Okay. Wow, Team K, correct, 8 correct answers. I'm just giving a pause here. Pradeep, sir, we have a message from Team C in the chat box.
Yeah. I too noted that. Let them play on the chat, this thing, WhatsApp. The same they can actually play on the WhatsApp, but they might have missed something. Nandini, how many questions you have attempted? Team C.
So we gave the first 2 rounds, and on the 3rd round, we got some internet issue with the 3rd member, and we were not able to join it.
Okay. So what you can do is, any of the member can play on the WhatsApp. But by this time, we had actually posted out somewhere around. We are into halfway of third session also.
So it's fine. We can stop over here, or we can just continue over here.
Okay.
Okay, so with that, we continue the last half of our quiz session. Okay, so these questions are from Hasna Foundation presentations. Wow, 19 correct. One more question. Wow, this is brilliant. 11 on each. Okay, Team H, Team S coming back. Okay. Wow. Wow, one more Jinx question. Equal distribution. Team E, great. Highest climber. Few more questions. Please don't lose your momentum, all teams. Okay. Wow, Team I, record of 11 correct answers in a row. Good. It is not the same. Wow, Team Q, you've got 3 correct answers in a row. Very good. Oh, only 12. Okay. Team I, bang on, 13 correct answers, but Team K, Team S, and Team H, T are also racing it in. Five more questions to go, so buckle up. They are website builders and blogging site. Team I, nazar na lage, 14 answers correct. Okay, only 5 got it correct. Oh, among the 5, we have Team I. Very good. 3 more questions to go. Wow. Second last question, true or false? Awesome. Okay, Team F is coming in race. And here we go with the last question of our quiz for today. Okay, so I'm excited to see the results now. Let's see the podium. Okay, 21 of 26. Team H, wow, very good. Team K on second. Wow, brilliant. Team I, just proven strong. Very good. That's awesome. come to the end of all 3 rounds of quiz, and let me confirm the winners of the 3 rounds. So from the Kahoot, so for the round 1, we have team O in 5th position, team K in 4th position, team H in 3rd, team M in 2nd, and team L in 1st. For round 2, we have team M in 5th position, team H in 4, team T in 3rd position, team S in 2nd, and team F for the 1st position. The last round. Yes,
so
sir.
we required the numbers also of the same, because we need to add up the numbers, and as per those, the top 5 will come. Suppose the commoners, if suppose anyone is commoner in this all the 3 rounds, that is why I am saying you need to add. Okay, and then we will declare the results, the top 5. The top 5 will present the first, of course, this thing, presentation tomorrow. That is of our this thing, bifurcation of states. Top 5 will present the same, and as per their this thing, the hierarchy of alphabets, teams will present the other 3 sessions. This is how the format is actually. So whatever the top 5s are there, Akshay, who all are three winners among these? If you can narrate the numbers.
Which one?
For all the sessions, what all the numbers were there? Just narrate the numbers also.
Yeah, the numbers as well. Okay, one moment, sir.
Top 3 for all the 3 sessions. For all the top 5.
Sir, can I get in touch with you in WhatsApp later, because the numbers we do not have for the 4th and 5th position. We have only for top 3.
Okay, so just top 3. We required for top 3 then.
I will share it with you, sir.
Okay. So students, how was it? And which question you were actually in doubt, or what you are looking for after this? Are you still looking out for some more quiz for this? I would like to know your actually experience on this. How was it? How it is? Even I feel Hasna Foundation has shown the this thing logo of the foundation. In that particular logo also, their theme was there. So, but it was not there. The moment the question comes for Hasna Foundation, that is Aksar Ausadi and this one. I was looking out for Hasna Foundation's logo. Is it written there or not? But madam's logo is not embedded with that one. So thanks for all. And I request all to actually switch on your videos so that we can have picks for the day. And best of luck for all. 20 teams will go forward for the presentation. There will be 4 presentations. First presentation will be for the state bifurcation. Second presentation will be for Northeast corridor. Third presentation will be for our this thing, election, innovation and election. And the 4th presentation is the left out topic. That is of, what was that topic? Can anyone remind me the 4th topic? Out of you guys, let me see how much you are preparing.
Sir, I think Manrega.
Sir, Manrega screen.
Okay, fine. People are into the session, I feel. Okay, so these 4 sessions we need to decide on. Okay, the presentation as per your presentation, as per the evaluations. So out of all those 4 sessions, there will be only one team which is going to win. Okay, and those 4 teams will go for semi-final. Then they will fight for this thing, COVID relief packages 1 and 2. That we will discuss on, and on the final round we will discuss on COVID vaccinations. The final, let me tell you who will be there as a mentoring for you all. Final will be mentored by IPS Sri Sandeep Joshi. He is Joint Secretary in Government of India Panchayati Raj Ministry, and along with him, Dr. Ganendra will be there. So these two will be mentoring you on the final round. I will be part of that particular also, and I will be the part of other semi-finals and finals too. So good luck to all those who will be there for 20 teams. In a very, you can say, 1 hour or so, we will tell you which teams are going for which particular subjects, and the results will be also out to your respective coordinators, the college coordinators. Even you will be getting this thing on the WhatsApp meet. Thank you, Akshaya. Thank you to all our mentors. Thank you to all our evaluators, those who are here. Thank you to Kasturi for helping us. And thanks, thanks to all students also. Thanks to all coordinators for supporting on this. Not lose your heart. Of course, it's a learning, and a learning curve remains the same. It's always someone is down and someone is up. So need not to learn lose our heart, but it's a good experience for all of us. Thanks you to Narmada Madam. She was actually your evaluator for assignment 1 and assignment 4 in the assignment 5. So she was evaluating your two of the assignments with support of mine, of course. Thank you to all. We will meet you tomorrow. Back-to-back sessions are there. Keep on actually presenting your thing. And yes, one more thing. Whatever I have said, 5 of the public policy considerations that I have said to you all in the group. Please try to use those considerations to present. Suppose you are into the public policy and those consideration points, all those consideration points are there. Use those actually once you are going for the presentation. That will give a better impact that you have done something on the public policy. So try to use it. It depends totally upon you. If you would like to know how to go for it, just check up how I have done for Aadhaar card. The schema's Aadhaar card. I blend it with this good governance. So you have the topic and you have the consideration sets. 4 or 5 of the consideration sets. Use those accordingly. Or if you would like to go more into this, the video of new education policy. The second set of new education policy was discussed under PFACS, which was the PFACS of that question was there in our MCQ also, today's quiz round also. So somebody, if any one of you are taking out a note of PFACS and present it as per the PFACS, that will give you better as to actually understand others, because all of these people, those who are coming to evaluate you, they are all into the public policy. So they understand that more better. And if you are pitching as per their lines of understanding, more chances to get more marks from them. That is my sincere request to all of you. Best of luck. Thank you to all. Namaste and take care. Stay happy. Stay safe. Thank you. I'm ending up the session.